How to create an HR resignation details dashboard in Bold BI. Every HR team faces the same challenges. Employees leave, and by the time the pattern shows up in a spreadsheet, your best talent is already gone. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to build an interactive HR resignation dashboard in Bold BI, from a raw database connection all the way to a dashboard you can click, filter, and drill into. Let's get started. Start by creating a new dashboard and naming it HR Resignation Details Dashboard. The data for this example lives in PostgreSQL, so I'll choose the PostgreSQL connector and enter the connection details: data source name, server name, port, username, password, and database name. Click Connect to open the Query Designer. We're working with two tables: an employee table that holds our entire workforce and a resignations table that holds everyone who has left, along with their department, gender, tenure, resignation reason, and resignation type. Drag both tables onto the canvas. Then join them on Employee ID so each resignation links back to an employee. Click Run to preview the data and confirm the records look right. Then save the data source. Add a number card and name it Total Employees. Drag Employee ID from the Employees table into the Measure section and set it to Distinct Count. Next, style this widget. In the Appearance settings, change the horizontal alignment to center. In the Title section, disable Auto Font Size and change position to top. Under Animation, select Enable Animation. Add a number card and name it Total Resignations. Drag Employee ID of Resigned Employee Details to the Measure section and format it to Distinct Count. Apply the same styling to this widget. Add a number card and name it Attrition Rate. This one uses a calculated expression. Add the expression for resigned employees count. Average employees, and attrition rate. Drag attrition rate to the Measure section and enter the % symbol on the right. Customize its properties. Add a number card and name it Employee Retention Rate. Add the expression for total number of employees and employee retention rate. Drag employee retention rate to the Measure section and enter the % symbol on the right. Customize its properties. Add a number card and name it Employee Resignation Rate. Add the expression for voluntary resignations and resignation rate. Drag resignation rate to the Measure section and enter the % symbol on the right. Customize its properties. Add a number card and name it Average Tenure. Add the expression for tenure rate. Drag tenure rate to the Measure section and enter the years on the right. Customize its properties. Add a bar chart and name it Top Reason for Employee Resignation. Drag employee ID of resigned employee details to the value section and format it to distinct count. Add resignation reason to the column section. Under Basic Settings, enable animation and show the value label. In the Legend settings, disable Legend. In Axis section, disable both Show Axis titles. Under Container Appearance, set the font size. Add a bar chart. And name it Attrition Rate by Department and Gender. Drag Attrition Rate to the Value section. Add Team and Gender to the Column section. Customize its properties. Add a column chart. And name it Resignation Rate by Tenure. Drag Tenure Rate to the Value section. Add Tenure Rate by Experience to the Column section. Add a column chart. And name it Resigned Employee Count by Type. Drag Resigned Employees Count to the Value section. Add Voluntary Involuntary to the Column section. Customize its properties. Then add a grid widget. And name it Employee Resignation Details. Add Employee ID. Employee name. Current designation. Resignation date. Voluntary or involuntary resigned employee details. In Basic Settings, enable Fit to Content. Vertical grid lines. And allow cell selection. In the header settings, change the background color. In the column settings, set the column alignment to center. In Container Appearance, change the font size. Everything's ready. Let's see it live. Click Preview. In Preview mode, the dashboard is fully interactive. When you're happy with it, click Publish to share it with your team. And that's a complete interactive HR resignation dashboard in Bold BI, from raw data to actionable insight. In this video, you've learned how to create an HR resignation details dashboard in Bold BI. To learn more about building effective dashboards and how Bold BI is the best platform for doing so, visit boldbi.com. You can start a free trial or request a personalized demo to explore how Bold BI fits your business needs. If you found this video useful, please click the like button. Subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.